everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit comments on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by going to your Instagram application and sign in if necessary. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Select one of your posts from where you want to edit the comment. Once you're in, tap on the comment section. What you can do is, once you reach to the comment, keep pressing it for a while, delete the comment by tapping on the trash icon at the upper right corner, and once the comment has been deleted, try commenting again. Post the comment by tapping on post, and that is how you can edit your comment. You'll need to go and delete your comment and try commenting back again. That is how you can edit comment on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.